Right now, I continue the jump game series. Today, I want to solve the jump game 3 problem. For this problem, its description is given an array of non-negative integer array. You are initially positioned at the start index of the array. When you are at the index I, you can jump to I plus the array I or I plus array I. Check if you can reach to any index with value 0. Notice that you cannot jump outside of the array at any time. So this one, the thinking is from start index, and we can go the plus array I minus array I index value. And when we encounter value 0, and that means this path exists and will return true, and otherwise will return false. That is a classical DFS to search path problem, and we only to check any valid path is okay. So we can use DFS. DFS is suitable to find any valid path. BFS is suitable for the find the minimum length path. So we can define a visited array. Visited array. The size is array size is length. Length is 5,000, and we can define the visited is 5001. And we can directly use the carriage as a recursion function. The base case is we will consider the base case. Lastly, consider base case. Right now, we need to go the main framework of DFS. For DFS, the country index is a index 1, index 2, and the visited start will be set visited if we can reach the first pass. Reach the first path and return true. And the second pass is can reach area, and the current index is start plus if start plus start AR start, and it's not out boundary overflow, and the plus 1 is a less than the error size, and can reach also this path, this index can reach this index, and we can go the next sub problem, and the second one is a finally one way recursion is two paths finished and not found any valid path, and we can directly return false. Finally, we'll return false. And -1. So go the -1 visited, and if not visited, and if visited and it return false. Visited is visited start equals 1, return false, and if base case is if return true, if we encounter the current element is 0, and then return true. That means current element is a 0, that return true. We can set, so the DFS will be finished, and then we try run it. This one will should be, and we can try more test case. More test case. And the start is 0. One start is 0, and it's not go. Oh, start is okay. True, false. Can submit. Runtime. Index out boundary. Visited the index out boundary. Yeah, I will check it. 5 for 10 10 sorrent. 1 2 3 4 10 sorrent. Visited start. Visited this index. Visited. And to check it. 对 Yes. Try to force, and we can try this one. Yeah, that means we can use a classical DFS to solve this problem. And next video, I will continue this series. It's left jump game 1, jump game 2.